Welcome to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into how you can edit or delete filters in Gmail on your Android device. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful guides. To start, open your Chrome browser on your Android phone. Look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on them. From the drop-down menu, select Desktop Site to switch your view to the desktop version of Gmail. Once that's done, go ahead and navigate to the Gmail website. Next, you'll want to access your settings. To do this, click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select See All Settings to proceed to the full settings menu. Now, let's locate those filters. In the settings menu, click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. You'll see a list of all the filters you've created. If you need to edit or delete a filter, find the one you're looking for and click on Edit or Delete next to it. If you're deleting it, confirm your choice and it will be removed. If you're editing, make your changes and then click Continue. After you've made your edits, don't forget to save them. Click on the Update filter to finalize your changes, and you're all set. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.